Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this monochromatic look. This is a peachy monochromatic look, and monochromatic means to put the same colored eyeshadow, blush and lipstick. These three are same colored, so it is a monochromatic look. Today I'm going for a peachy kind of look, so this eyeshadow is peachy, the blush I put is peach colored, and the lipstick that I'm wearing is also peach colored. It is a glossy lipstick. So if you are interested in watching this monochromatic look, then please keep watching. So first I will apply a little foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. Now after applying the foundation, I will apply the concealer. This is a Maybelline New York concealer. I will also apply the concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so next I will set my foundation and concealer with this compact powder. This is Face Canada compact powder. Apply eyeshadows, and for that I'm going to be using this palette, and I'm going to be using this color from this palette. It is called Blazing. It just is perfect for a peachy look, so I'm just going to apply this with a blending brush. I'm just going to take it little bit and I'm tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. Now after I have applied it on my eyelids, I'm just gonna take the same color a little bit and I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lashes. Now after I've applied the eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this bronzer. So I'll just apply the bronzer. Next I will curl my lashes with this eyelash curler. Now I will apply this Maybelline Sensational Mascara. After applying the mascara, I will apply the eyebrow pencil. This is the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm going to be applying a blush. This is the blush I recently bought from Sugar. I bought this brush, this blush, and this lipstick from Sugar. It is a glossy lipstick. The shade of it is like this. It is a nudish gloss. It is really good. I really like it. So, I just bought these things for the monochromatic look that I'm doing today. I'm not just this, I'm also obsessed with peach colors. So I really like the peach colors. And this blush of Sugar, from Sugar, is also peach colored. It is in the shade 04 Salmon Superstar. It is also peach color, like this. So it is really nice. Yeah, so it, this eyeshadow, this blush and this lipstick will make a super nice monochromatic look, so which I'm going for. So I'll just apply this. So I will apply the blush. It is really pigmented, so you have to take very little product. And a little bit on nose. So next I'm going to apply a highlighter. This highlighter I'm going to apply. This is Nykaa's highlighter. Now after applying the highlighter, I will apply this lip gloss from Sugar. This. It is in the shade 03. And the name of it is Mellow Kitty lip gloss from Sugar. Yeah, it has a very nudish color which looks really good and supple. So after I'm done applying my makeup, I'm going to put this setting spray and the makeup is done. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. So I hope you like this monochromatic look, which is a peachy look. So if you like it, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.